All right, I'm going to teach you a really simple card effect, and this is what we do here. Okay, we have a preset of 16 cards, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cards. These are all the face card and the aces, okay? And they can be shuffled. It doesn't really matter, just as long as you have the face cards and the aces, this will work. And what you're going to do is you're going to have that on top with a break here. What you're going to do is you're going to dribble the cards and have them say stop, and then you're going to stop right at the break, and you're going to have someone select out a card out of here. Okay, they select it out, and they're going to have a face card. You're going to have someone select out of here, and they're going to have a number card. Now what you're going to do is when you take the cards back, you're going to take the number card and you're going to put it back in so it goes into the face cards. Okay, then you're going to fan the deck like this so that that chunk is on top. Now they're going to place the only face card back into the spot card section, which is the lower part of the deck. So the nice part about this is there's no breaks, no nothing. You can have them square up the deck and you have full control because you're using what you're doing. You can have them cut the deck all they want. That won't disturb the order. There's not going to be any shuffling going on just yet, but we're going to take back the pack, and when we come to the first face card, that will be the first selection, and then we go into the face cards. It'll be the only number card inside of there, as you will see. So in this case, we have the 10 of hearts and the queen of clubs. So what you will do is you'll take out the two cards, and then you'll say what was your card, and then you can reveal. So this is a very simple beginner trick, help you get started in card magic. If you want to see more, click on the link and see my premium products where I have stronger magic.